this is Laura GB, and in this video we're going to look at the Hierarchy Slicer update from June 2020. So, first things first, the Hierarchy Slicer, which we've used before, can be seen here in this report. So we've got years and we've got months in this slicer, so we can pick a whole year or an individual month. So, what updates have come through in June? Firstly, it's on for everybody. It's gone into what's known as GA, generally available, so you no longer have to turn it on new installs. Secondly, we've got some nice updates on the formatting. So if we go and have a look under Format and under Items. First one is quite a subtle change, but actually quite a good one. The text size. If you up the text size, the tick boxes next to your options and the collapse icons at the end all upsize with your font. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, if we expand one of these, we'll see the stepped layout indication. So where that tick box is compared to that tick box, we have a slider here. So if I move it across to the end, that's the maximum it can be, and the minimum is there to be no indentation at all. So find something that works for you. Next update is the chevron collapse icon. We can see the icon up here. So if we expand this a moment, we see we've got three options. We can go for plus minus, or we can go for a caret, which is that little corner one. So we can see what that looks like when they're not expanded, and there we are, we can see the varieties. I'm sure that'll fit in with some people's branding. Another update, which wasn't announced as part of the update, but perhaps is seen as a bug fix instead, but it's a brilliant one. So if I change this to be a drop down and drop down that all and drill down inside and let's pick April 2018, you'll see that if I click away, it's not quite wide enough. Let me make that wider to show you. And there you are. You can see the levels that have been picked. So if only a year was picked, you just get the year. But if a sub-level is picked, multiple selections if you unpick, can't put all the months. But let's unselect the year and put in just a month. It'll show you 2018 and then the month. So that's the updates that came to the Hierarchy Slicer. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.